Hi everyone, today's headlines. Nagaland reports 45 new COVID-19 cases and no deaths. Industrial production grows 11.5% in July. Australia and India have tremendous talks in peace and development of Indo-Pacific region by Rajnath Singh. Kerala plans sero survey among students, vaccinating all above 18 by September end. Many Sputnik 5 recipients in Bengaluru yet to return for second dose. News in details. Nagaland reports 45 new COVID-19 cases and no deaths. Nagaland recorded a single rise of 45 new COVID-19 cases on Friday, taking the tally to 30,555 and active caseload to 650. The state cumulative recoveries also increased to 28,344, with 48 more patients having recuperated in the last 24 hours, while the death toll remained unchanged at 620 with no fresh fatalities reported. According to an update from the Department of Health and Family Welfare, 27 cases were reported in Dimapur, 12 in Kohima, 2 in Mokochung, and 1 each in Kifri, Tunsang, Voka, and Zunabado on Friday. Industrial production grows 11.5% in July. India's industrial production rose 11.5% in July according to official data released on Friday. As per the Index of Industrial Production data released by the National Statistical Office, the manufacturing sector output surged 10.5% in the July 2021. In July, the mining output climbed 19.5% and power generation increased 11.1%. The IIP had contracted 10.5% in July 2020. During April to July this year, the IIP grew 34.1%. It was a contraction of 29.3% in the same period last year. Industrial production has been hit due to the coronavirus pandemic since March last year, when it had contracted 18.7%. Australia and India have tremendous talks in peace and development of Indo-Pacific region by Rajnath Singh. In a bid to boost bilateral strategic ties, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday held delegation-level talks with his Australian counterpart Peter Dutton in Delhi. He said both countries have tremendous talks in the peace and development of the Indo-Pacific region. Despite the testing time of COVID-19, your visit to India is a testimony of our strong friendship. India and Australia have shared talks in a peaceful, cooperative and prosperous Indo-Pacific region, said Defence Minister Rajnath Singh at the meeting. Following the bilateral meeting, Singh stated that India is committed to building a robust partnership with Australia for the security and growth of the entire region. The talks took place a day ahead in the inaugural 2+2 dialogue between Foreign and Defence Ministries of India and Australia. India and Australia discussion today focused on our bilateral defense cooperation and expanding military engagement across services, enhancing defense information sharing and cooperation in emerging defense technologies, he said. Kerala plans sero survey among students, vaccinating all above 18 by September end. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said that despite many risk factors, the state managed resisting the second wave of COVID-19 with a low death rate. As part of the relaxing the restriction and reopening educational institutions in a phased manner from next month, the state has targeted to vaccinate all above the age of 18 by September 30, as well as to conduct a sero-prevalence study among students, said the Chief Minister. So far, 78% of those above 18 have received the first dose of vaccination, while around 30% are fully vaccinated. The state COVID-19 review meeting on Friday decided that RT-PCR tests would be conducted only to confirm COVID, while antigen tests would be conducted for emergency requirements like hospitalization. It was also decided to impose lockdown in wards with weekly infection population ratio above 8%. So far, lockdown was imposed in areas with WIPR above 7%. On Friday, 25,010 fresh coronavirus cases were reported in the state with a TPR of 16.53%. Many Sputnik 5 recipients in Bengaluru yet to return for second dose. Many among the 83,431 who have received the Sputnik 5 vaccine in the state have not returned to get their second jab, which they should have received 21 days after the first dose. The vaccine has been available only in 9 hospitals in 3 districts. In Bengaluru, only 6 hospitals offer the vaccine. At United Hospital, 156 people who received the first dose did not return for second, though it has been more than 21 days since their first jab. That's all for now. To get the latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.